So beta, we know that energy is neither created nor destroyed. Okay, it is only converted from one form to another. So that's what we are going to do it now, to see that how energy is conserved only. Here we are taking three basic position. A ball is here at some height, let that height be h. Fine, we are going to do the three cases. Ball is at height h, then ball is lying somewhere in between, like it's falling, it's in between here. Okay, so when it's falling, it's in between here. We are talking about it when it is at a distance x. So it's x, h minus x, this will be what, h minus x. Now this is the point just a little above the ground, just about to hit the ground. Okay, just a little above the ground as I have shown. Now here the body is at some height, u is equal to what, 0. Okay, u is equal to 0. Now we are going to find out what is the energy in this case we are having. We know that at this point kinetic, I am talking about the case 1, kinetic energy is equal to 0. U is 0, kinetic energy is 0. And here what you are having? Potential energy is what? Maximum. And we know that what is potential energy? That is mgh. So total energy in this case is how much? That total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, which comes out to be mgh. I hope this first portion is very simple, so it is clear to you. Okay, this will be fine. So now we are going to talk about the second case when body is here. Okay, when body is at height h minus x. So now what will be the energy? But now you are having height also, and now the body is moving also, you are having energy also. Okay, in this case we are having both the things, that is kinetic energy also and the potential energy also. Now first of all I am going to talk about the kinetic energy. ठीक हो गया? अगर मैं kinetic energy की इस केस में बात करूं, पहले हम सिंपल ही ले लेते हैं, that is half mv square. Okay, now if I have to find out the value of this v, इस v की वैल्यू निकालनी है. u मुझे पता है, u I know, s I know. Can I find out the value of v? Acceleration I know, it's having what acceleration? A. So by using third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. What we are having the value of v square here, u square is 0 plus 2a. s कौन सा आएगा? It is at height x, 2a x. ठीक हो गया? So what will be the kinetic energy? That is equal to half m 2ax. ठीक हो गया? Now we are talking about the potential energy. Potential energy is at how much height? h minus x. So potential energy is equal to mg. Sorry, g is here because it's moving under the effect of gravity. As a freely falling body, a ball is falling down. So that is equal to mg h minus x. ठीक हो गया? So what will be the total energy in the second case? That is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to mgx plus mgh minus mgx. So it again come out to be mgh. In first case also we are having mgh. Now body is just little up, about to strike the ground. So h here is what? Negligible at this point. If h is negligible, the potential energy is what? 0. So what all in all you are having? That is what? Kinetic energy. So here we are having potential energy equal to 0. Here what you are having? Kinetic energy equal to 0. Here you are having potential energy equal to 0. So now in this case potential energy is 0, So what we are going to find out, that to kinetic energy, it's about to hit the ground, C position, into the ground it's coming. So this body is reaching the ground by velocity v. Here initial velocity is what? Hanji beta, initial velocity is what? Initial is nothing. Initial, when it start from this point, initial is 0. It's having some final velocity v with which it's moving. And how much distance this kinetic energy covered? That is h. So s is equal to h, and your acceleration due to gravity is here, that is what? G. Your potential energy is 0 in this case, and we know that v square is equal to u square plus 2g s we have taken. So v square is equal to 2gs, that s is equal to what? 2gh. So v square is coming out to be 2gh. Putting the value of this v square in the case of kinetic energy, that is half into m into 2gh. So that comes out to be mgh. So all in the three cases, what we are having, that total sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is what? This k plus u is what? Mgh plus 0. So that is that in all the three cases kinetic energy is conserved. Listen to me once again. What happening is, in this point, you are having a body, a freely falling body. It's at some height h. When it's at some height h, its initial velocity 0. When you drop it, it's having some final velocity v. It's working under the effect of gravity, so it's having acceleration g. We have taken three cases: when it's at this height, when the ball reach in the middle, and when the ball is about to hit the ground. So in first case our kinetic energy is 0, and in last case our potential energy is 0. By using the third equation of motion, we find the height at h. Now what happened in the second case? It's having both potential and kinetic energy, but potential energy with height h minus x, and kinetic energy with height what? X. So and again, to find out the kinetic energy case, we using the third equation of motion, and in all these what we are having, that energy is conserved. Energy is what? Conserved here. So now the next, that's all they are telling us. A graphical representation is given in your book. A graphical representation is given in your book, and a relationship is given in your book in a note part, that is half mv square is equal to, how to get this half mv square is that u is equal to under root 2gh. But it's not necessary to use this formula in your numericals. This is basically given for your numericals. If you directly use the half mv square formula and then solve it, then also it will be what? Fine. Okay. Now one graphical representation is given in your book. What is that graphical representation? That is of kinetic energy and potential energy. कुछ नहीं बोला, जैसे जैसे हाइट बढ़ती है तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्या है? बढ़ती है. दैट्स व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग यू, हाउ द इफेक्ट इज देयर. ओके, एंड उस mgh से जस्ट अ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दिस ग्राफ की जैसे जैसे आप नीचे आ रहे हो किनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ रही है, और जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर जा रहे हो आपकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बढ़ रही है. फाइन. द एप्लीकेशन इज गिवन इन योर पार्ट फॉर द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सिंपल मोमेंटम. क्या है इसमें? आई विल पोस्ट वन वीडियो ऑन दिस, just telling you. I hope you will have clarity with this also. At this position, if we are talking about, fine, here the body is in movement always. यहाँ से चलती है, यहाँ से चलती है, in this way it moves. Fine. Here it's having some height, here is also having some height, here it stops and then come back. So here what you are having? Maximum potential energy, kinetic energy 0, maximum potential energy, kinetic energy is what? 0, and in the center what we are having? No height is there, potential energy 0, so maximum kinetic energy it's having, that is mgh. Have a good day beta. I'll post the numerical soon. From my side, this chapter is over. Just come up with your doubts. Today see the content of this chapter, and tomorrow I will post you the content of machines, and soon I will post you the numericals. Take care. Have a good day.